eke lapho ngihlukumezeke kakhulu ngaphezulu kokuhlukumezeka engakaze ngize ngithole selokhu ngazala. Ukuhlukumezeka kwami koqala eke ngithukele ukuthi mangifike ePort eGoli kade ngiyothula inkulumo eke kade ngibize izintatheli kwathiwa kuma imayi uvaliwe mina ngiyibhinqa mina. When I go to my ngisuke yohlangana namanye amabhinqa nomama laphana abakithi abayizamini impilo sithenga ukudla emveni kwalokho kusisa lokunye manje mangenza iaddress eke bengizoyenzela khona imedia briefing endingaqala ukuthi kwenzeke imedia briefing eke kwamayimaye as a result of ukuthi eke empilweni eke lapha iyona ndawo esiyaziyo thina abantu abampofu eke sikwazi ukuthi eke sisiza khona abantu eke bakithi. Ngakho ke into ke ebaluleke kakhulu engifuna ke ukuyidlulisa ukuthi thema ngilende ePort eGoli izolo eke ngahlukumezeka ngento azange ngizokubona ngihamba ngenyawo ngakhulu freeway ngeke ngihutshwa ngamaphoyisa engaza ngivubhelani engenazathu sofuthi ngibopha engifanisa futhi ngoba atsheniwe ukuthi khona umuntu nje ufunakalayo nje ngoba mina ngakhipha ivideo ekhuluma ngokuthi cha aseneme ngokuhlukumezeka kukaBaba emdala em-18 years ubaba umsholozi ngedlehlekisa ukuthi angaboshwa eke angene ejele ebe revolutionist ebe kuyena umuntu owahlangana nabafowabo eke bakakhongolose nabafowabo eke bamanye amaqembu ezepolitiki abantu abamnyama bagcina belikhululile eke lelizwe laseNingizimu Afrika laba yileli esiyilona. Njengoba bengishilo ke nezolo we are the most welcoming nation. Sikwazi ukumukela omhlophe uIndia umlungu nabezizwe njengoba begcwele lapha sibabiza ngosibali. Thina we are the most welcoming nation, we are not discriminative. Kodwa ke emveni kwalokho ke engakafiki enkulumeni yami ngifuna ukungena ngqo ekuthenini ngihlukumezeke ngendlela eyisimanga mangabe sengifika lapha ngizothula khona inkulumo yami eke sentini ngafika nakhona ngiqeda ukukhuluma ukuthula inkulumo babe sengikakwe ngaba amaphoyisa abantu abafike lapho abamaphoyisa sebevimba kwasane into nje thinta eke ugama likangizwe eke abakwazi ngisho ukungibiza kanti bathi ngwigwe vizwe amaphoyisa insizwa ke benginazo zakithi eke sizabalaza nazo kule nkululeko esiyilwelayo ezomnotho nenkululeko yokudedenga okukhona kulelizwe njengamanje sithe sisuka lapho sagijima eke sabaleka eke sahamba saya endaweni lapho ngizophepha khona amahotela amathatha agcine sebhukhiwe eke ukufihla mina ngilonisela mina ngisona isigebengu ngiyona drug dealer ngizwile ukuthi emveni kwalokho ihotela loqala belikakiwe nginganaki ihotela lesibili sakaka wavinjwa imoto ebeyinefoni yami ku freeway emveni kwalokho eke ngafuka lapho ehotela besilela kulona nomfowethu besihamba naye wamakhamera safika enkingeni lapho ukuthi kwala +1 sanqonqozelwa kama security le hotela lazothi nanka amaphoyisa amabhunu ahamba ngeemoto engaphekwe esitshumi zamaphoyisa atafuna ngwigwe aphephetha lawo ibo engakanani uthunya amabhunu ukuthi awezwe kungizwe hayi ukuthi azombopha nje amthathe ayomfihla lamfihla khona bese mbulala ebulale mina engibulalela ukuthi mina ngikhulume iqiniso lokuthi bakwethu aseneme ngendlela ubaba umsholozi okwenzeke ngayo ukube ugwetshiwe mhlawumbe amacala waqulayo kwakuthiwa hayi cha uhlulekela agcina limlahla mhlawumbe ngabe sikhuluma ukuthi kwemlandweni yinto engakaze zenzeke lena. Ngakho ke ngithi ke abantu baseNingizimu Afrika ngihlukumezeke kakhulu ukuthi eke emveni kwalokho eke ubaba obheka icele especially sami nimbonile abantu abaningi ngendlela arrogant ngayo uvele wangena lapha wazongisabisa wangi-intimidate he intimidated me ukuthi mina eke angikhuzeke. How many South Africans that are concerned regarding indaba kamsholozi manje imengedwa zokhuzeka bangaka belunga abanye ngisazi ukuthi omunye umlungu uthiwa ubani eke oshutha amavidiyo usuku nosuku emzini wakhe ekhuluma into eyodwa lomlungu ethi eke ezobathukishwe ngehlamba laba abaphethizwe kodwa akakayaze mina ngithuke umuntu kulelizwe eke laseNingizimu Afrika kunalokho kunoma ngithuka umuntu ngisuke ngiraise mina ama concern nama issues ekuyiwona esibhekene nawo kulelizwe laseNingizimu Afrika. Ngakho ke ngifuna ukusho ke ngani zakwethu ukuthi mina mangifile igazi lami liyobuzwa ezandleni zikaBhekicele liyobuzwa ezandleni zikaRamaphosa umongameli walelizwe laseNingizimu Afrika liphinde futhi libuzwe kuJaji Zondo awuyibona abanikazi bayo yonke lento abathume abantu baseNingizimu Afrika ukuthi baphula umthetho. I want to express my disappointment to the address that was done by President Cyril Ramaphosa yesterday. He divided the nation purposely. Wathi amazulu lawa iziphuphu kahlangene akwazi ukuthi alwele into engekho baqale babiza ngokuthi bathi lokho njani i-service delivery protest. Ngise ngasho izolo ukuthi cha bobo uma kuyi-service delivery protest our president Zuma is a service delivery protest, is a service delivery, so we must bring back our service delivery ngoba phela bayabona ukuthi sitoyitoyela i-service delivery. Into eyenzekileke ngamza kwethu, my consent in the history of our democracy and even in our lifetime, we got the most weakest president we ever had in this country. When you are the leader, you must not be fearful to stand in front of people in a crisis. You must not be fearful to take decisions that will save the nation. The nation that put you in that position. It is a greatest disappointment. Ukuthi mina ngikhulumile ngakhuluma ngingane encane nga-United Sizwe njengama-Afrika. Emveni kwalokho uyalokhu njena emveni kwalokho ngagcina mina ngikhuluma njengomuntu ounite isizwe sama-Afrika, kodwa abantu kwaba yibona umuntu okuyena bekufanele asihlanganise isizwe wagcina ngiyaphazamiseka bafethu ngicela ningayaluzi ngiyaphazamiseka yabona. Our president, it is so clear that he never loved us. I heard rumors in the past that but it is now very clear that this president never loved us. You can't chase a young man like me. Ngokhuluma iqiniso raise i-content yakhe, araise ama feelings akhe. Kuthiwa asikhale kahle, asingakhali kahle. How do you cry? How do you raise your concerns? As a weak people, as poor people, how do we raise our concerns? So sikwazile ke ukuthi nathi sikhulume ukuthi nga-address nation, iphinde ngibatshene abantu ukuthi uma ngabe kuphela 3 days singakwazi ukuthi ubaba akhululeke ejele, sizohamba sisebenza ilungelo lethu. Mina ngizwe umlando omkhulu ngizoyolala le esikhotho ngaphandle ngitoyitoyela ukuthi kuze kuphume ubaba nelalo laphalele khona. Yilokho kuphela mina ngushilo. Akekho noyedwa umuntu engingamthuma mina ukuthi akashisa izitolo, akenze ukuthi abantu bathe udlame la KwaZulu-Natal leko kwenzeka kopholokwane kubizwa ngani. Abantu basepholokwane bayakhala bayifuni le ndoda. Abantu bale ko Cape Town kade bengifonele bathi tate ndive bengazi ukuthi mina ngutate ndive. Bathi tate ndive uzanini kapho sawo ukuthi mhlekazi hapha koKapa izapha koKapa siyakudinga tate ndive. Njengamanje, my people, my fellow South Africans, now is the time we need to change the country now. We need to correct the history now. We need Zuma out of jail now. We need economical freedom now. This president is the most unsympathetic president and arrogant president, especially in the matter of Babu Zuma. How can you address the nation as a president instead of being humble and command your people and try all you can as a leader to stabilize the civil war that is happening right now in the country? Instead, you are standing in front of cameras and insult us. Mr. President, I'm disappointed in you. You are so weak. You don't deserve us. You don't deserve us as a nation. You are so weak. We are not stupid. We are the generation of heroes. We are the generation of heroes. We are the generation of Obama Mandela. We are the generation of heroes. As I fell in Tabeni, in Ghana, Zabantu, so now we can never be intimidated by you. Usitshela ukuthi uma sizabalaza uzositubula usibulale uzobuyisa imarikana in this country. Never. Angishongo afikile amahansi ngoba ifoni yami sekungeheli ngiyayithatha ngiyayitap angina phone manje ngiyayithatha ngiyayitap ngiyayithatha ngiyangilandela navigator uthumela amabhunu kanti azongikhahlela kahle abulale mina ucabanga ukuthi mangiboshwa uzoqhubeka nje uphuza amathe udla amawayini ngeke uzokwenzeka lokho. I will be in jail and crying. You have all the powers to do that. You have all the powers to oppress us. But it's so shame on you that those powers, you got it from us. Now you are abusing the same power we gave it to you to oppress us. Even beyond apartheid, we never had such situation. Ngizothi kini Africa, umndeni wami ngiyaxolisa kuwona ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi the majority of them, they don't like ukuba outspoken and to fight for the right and to tell the truth to the nation. They don't like that. Bafisa sathi ngathandaza nje yobona uNkulunkulu. Then we are the generation so fika kuthini ngoba bamkhulu. What we need something to tell our late fathers of brothers and sisters ukuthi saneka amasendeni sabuka izwe lelonakala phambi kwethu. Akaze ngibone mina abantu abawiki kangaka they are using their political minds game above us. Guess what? Laba bantu, they've destroyed themselves first before they destroy us and our economy in this country. But destroy SACP ayikho. Obabu plans imali bayidlela utshwala nje abazi nakwasi. Ngoba vele sebesebenzile basuthi. They don't care about the future of this country. 2, where is COSATU? It's finished. It got no power and it got no future. It's just managing itself. Where is NSUD? They've destroyed even the future of their own organization. How can you expect those arrogant leaders, those arrogant people to lead you and to grow the economy of this country? They are busy chasing each other. They are busy fighting each other at the expense of our life. The insensitivity of this president, he can't even say one single thing about Mr. President Eboshi SHL. Ngaphansi kwaloko sejele umfowabo wazabalaza wazama ukubamba umuzi ebushiwe belale entabeni ubaba Mike Zuma is normal because of the heart attack. Uzofika thina emathongeni akoZuma. He said he will sacrifice where I was killed by my own people that I thought they will be celebrating my life because I contributed to the freedom of this country. He's now normal because of the heart attack. Vugane ma Africa. He insulted us at Lenkulumo tribalism. Wahlukanisa izwe phakathi umongameli wasibiza ngeyiphuphu thina ekubeni izwe lonke likhala. Angazi ukuthi yini afuna ukuthi yenzeke. Ngithi ke manje is now is the time of Africa. We love each other. We as the Zulu people, let me educate you about Zulu people. Zulu people are loving people. We love everyone. It's just that we are strong, we are united, we don't fall. That is our strength. Other tribes and other nations should learn from us. And we love them. Abafowethu bashade nabo, baphinde bakhulumele nabo. Bakhimizi nabo. We are one nation. We must unite. And another thing that I want to tell Ramaphosa, We don't hate white people. Instead, in Africa, we are the most people in Africa that we have managed to welcome white people into this country and stay with them and allow them to bacindezele and masefika inkululeko asangababopha asangenza lutho sathi thina akube Rainbow Nation, which was very noble for us to do. But the mistake yenziwa yinina yokuthi nina ningavuma ukuthi umnotho uphela ubuyele kuthina njengabantu abamnyama siushare nabo. We want them to empower us. We want them to share the economy with us. That's all we want. And live peace and harmony in this country. That's all we want. That's why we have allowed our flag and our life as South Africans to be a Rainbow Nation, to be recognized as a Rainbow National country. That's why we were able to host the World Cup successfully, the Rugby World Cup successfully, as a result of we are the most welcoming nation in the world. So, Mr. Ramaphosa, don't make us hate white people. Never. Ngokuthi wena uvume ukuthi wena ungavumi ungabi nesibindi ungabi indoda ubinise ukuchaba kwethu lokhu ngeke uthi uvuma ube indoda emzini wakhe emzini esikona eSouth Africa ube indoda usho cha la ngiyawushintsha lomthetho iParliament lahlangana ngokusheshsha la abantu abamnyama badle la abantu abamnyama badle la abantu abamnyama badle nani qhubeka nidle siphile sonke sijabule abelungu bane experience business. They got so much experience in business. We don't want to chase them away, never. We want them so that it's cool together so that we can be one nation and be a good example in the world. So you white people, please respect us. Please empower us. Please share economy with us. We don't hate you. But what you are doing to us, and even yourself, you can never allow that to be oppressed in your own country. Never. My iPad is yakara much. One of the major things we need uzume phumile echele with immediate effect. That's one of the most important points that led us to be here. We need economical freedom now with immediate effect. And if you are immediate effect, everything must be immediate effect. Now, the most important point that I want to address to the nation, please, people of South Africa, stop right now. What you are doing is out of order. You are destroying your own at the expense of Ugutin Fudo Pumba. That is not true. That is not true. Now you are out of hand. Stop it. You need to stop it. And stop it right now. Because, you know what? Even Ubaba, Msholozi, can never be proud. Uguti, Tina, Sibulale Yong intercorners win. Ngobanaku, Sifuna Pumena, Echele. We must do it the right way. So that Ubaba is more proud. Mangabe phumechele asho ukuthi ngazala ngachamsela abantwana bami bangikwazi bangulwelile bangivikela bangikhiphe echele so that we can have a future. You know ukuthi fanele ni correct kanjani that history. One, we need an urgent meeting near Parliament to impeach this president. He have destroyed us and our country is at war and our country is beyond repairs, and he have insulted us, and he have divided us. There is no father of the nation who can speak like him. Shame on you. I'm disappointed, Mr. President. Send your soldiers, send your police, send everyone to kill me. I'm the ordinary South African citizen. I have a right to speak, and I have a right to raise my concern regarding the country that I'm living in. I was born here and I will die here. Una go to kuze when uthi when a car luto uzostubula. What I repeat. You are so weak. You were trying hard to be strong. You are so weak. In cabinet, yakho Ramaphosa, ne NEC, ANC. Finally, you must convene right now and recall this president. Doesn't matter who they put, because the history in the country is already damaged. Worse, we as African people, when you do good to us, we appreciate. When you do bad, we don't forget. We will never forget that you have freed us. We appreciated that. But now is a turning point that you have destroyed what you have built yourself. Now is the time for change. The only way to correct this nonsense that has been happening in this country is to recall this president and out and restructure the country. Moreover, we can never be led by arrogant people like Ramaphosa and by people doesn't matter who are you putting in the country. Amasonto avaliwe kuvulwa ama-restaurant ekuthiwa ngoyoqatshulwana kungenandaba amajimu avuliwe ngoba phela kubenefit abamhlophe abantu abangenalokhu, because you are busy making us hate white people. We are not fools. I told you yesterday. I told the nation yesterday, because we are not stupid. In your expense, we can never hate white people. We have welcomed them. We love them. They must share the economy with us. The only history we have in this country, Tina, we end holiday for June 16. Nobody was arrested. We end holiday for Lokujana, for August 8. Nobody was arrested. Go to Mthetho Sekelo ukhona. Lo esengithi usomkhulu wedlula zonke izinto. Phela Mthetho Sekelo lishanjiswe. Njengamanje ngithi mina wonke umuntu okhona eNingizimu Afrika, nani ninama-branch, nina angithi mhlawumbe ama-branch amakhulu kulabantu nibapelayo niyabapela ama-branch abahlangana abhale incwadi abhale i-petition ukuthi Cyril Ramaphosa must fall. Njengamanje uma nina ANC nisafuna ukuthi abantu baseNingizimu Afrika ngelinye ilanga banicabangele noma banithembe ngoba engasanifuni nje, lungisani liphutha njengamanje, ngoba ngisha kakhuluma thini lo baba ayisekho into esazolungiseka kuleli lizwe. Ngithi mina I'm calling for a peace right now in this country, and we as South Africans, we must do the right thing. We must campaign for his departure. Online, we must campaign for his departure in Parliament, even if it means we get together and within 90 days we have an election in this country. We are dying because of Corona and everything. We even forget about all those things. I also want to appreciate what Mr. Julius Malema did. We thought Julius Malema was the worst enemy. Julius Malema, you are the hero to us. Especially in this country, especially into sezeleyo lokuthi uthuba behluphekile uhamba ugubhu uyoxolisa. Inhlonipho la kwaZulu is the most important thing. Respect. You went down and bow and apologize to Baba and make a good understanding that whatever you have been fighting for, it was political, it was never personal. And then, as a result of that, we are going to die of hunger as a result of what is happening in the country. I know the frustration that